Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your Gmail account to Facebook. So for most people, this means making your Gmail address the primary contact email for your Facebook account, which is great for security and notifications. So now, I will simply guide you through the steps. Now without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So to begin the process, simply open a browser and then directly go to facebook.com. Now hit enter. Now here, make sure that you're logged in to your account. Now once you're on the home page, you need to go to the settings menu, and here is how to do it. First, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then in the drop-down menu that appears, simply click on Settings and Privacy. And then another menu will appear in front of you. There, simply choose Settings. Now, wait for a few seconds, and after that, this will take you to the Meta Account Center, which manages your details for both Facebook and Instagram, and it's the new central hub for all your settings. So from here, the steps are very straightforward. On the menu on the left-hand side, simply look for a panel called Personal Details. So if you scroll down a little bit, it should be under Audience and Visibility. Now, for some reason, if you're unable to find the personal details in the left-hand side panel, then simply click on See More in Account Center. Click on this option, and here you should be able to see Personal Details. So click on that option. And once you click on the Personal Details section, you'll find all the personal details regarding your current account. Now, in order to add or link your Gmail account, all you do is simply click on Contact Info. And here, all you have to do is click on Add New Contact, and then choose Add Email Address. Now, simply enter your desired email address. And after that, simply choose for which account you want to link your Gmail account. So, if you have multiple Instagram accounts or Facebook accounts, you have to choose it here in this section. So I will be going with my normal account here, but as you can see, I already have an email that's linked with this, so I will choose a different account. Then simply click on Next. Now wait for a few seconds, and now a verification code has been sent to the registered phone number. So simply go ahead and check that. And once you receive the verification code, simply enter it in the panel. And once you do that, simply click on Continue. Now wait a few seconds, and as you can see, the email address that I entered here is already in use with some other account. So if your email address is completely new and is not linked with any account, the moment you complete the verification, your email address will be linked with your account. So that's it. You have now successfully linked your Gmail address to your Facebook account and can use it as a primary contact for login and notifications as well. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.